Hello, eighth graders. Welcome to week 3. You're probably settling into a routine by now, so I'm not going to point out everything, but let me show you just a couple tips for this week. So the first thing I want to point out is on my screen when I'm in Google Classroom, and I know mine looks different than yours, but I'm guessing that a number of you, when you go to your Google Classroom page, are looking at the tasks that load on the main page. And I just want to caution you because not everything shows up there. So make sure that in all of your classes, not just AVID, you're actually going into the classwork tab, which I'm clicking on right now, because depending on how your teachers are creating the work, it may or may not show up in that other spot. So anyway, for this week for AVID, you're going to open up task 0, and you can see the slide presentation, the agenda document, and then also the Reach a Teacher document that you reviewed in advisory. Below that is the Flipgrid check-in. I really appreciated those of you that I got to see and hear last week. So hopefully a bunch of you will pick that option again, but you do have the option of writing your responses if you feel really uncomfortable. And then on task 2, I want to emphasize that you're going to be looking at your high school that you're going to next year and preparing some slides about it with different content. And you're going to have 2 weeks to do that. So I would definitely start this week, and then you can pace it out so that you do some of the slides this week and some slides next week. And then later in the week, I'd like you to go in and check Aries to see that you are getting credit for the work you're doing and making sure that you're not missing anything. I don't know if your other teachers are going to start posting yet, but at least for AVID, I'd like you to go in and check and make sure that you have nothing missing from our virtual school. And if you do, you can get that made up. And then at the end of the week, I gave you a choice this week. I do have the Google form, and you're totally welcome to do that. But I'm going to be a risk taker again and try doing a live meeting just for my 8th graders this week. So if you want to join us for that, that will count as your end of week reflection. And I'll give you more information, but the live meeting is going to be at 10:45 on Friday. So I look forward to seeing more of your work and hopefully hearing more of your voices and your thoughts. And I hope you have a great 3rd week.